Kubaba was the first female monarch in recorded history, living between 2500 and 2330 BCE in Sumer. We know about her because she's on the Sumerian kings list, not queen's list, king's list, which means she ruled outright. She was not a consort. The list often blurs the line between historical fact and legend. It says, the woman tavern keeper who made firm the foundations of Kish. Thus, she rose to power after being a tavern keeper. Shows how powerful that role was. She was a bartender and perhaps hosts people in this place. She probably networked with hundreds of people in her tavern. But this is not a rags to riches story. A tavern keeper holds a lot of power, providing shelter, food, and building relationships. Cheers to that. Another source is a bit more detailed, but this is without a doubt a piece of propaganda from the time. And so this source says Kubaba feeds a fisherman and persuades him to offer his catch to a god to earn his favor. His response comes as no surprise. He entrusted to her, the tavern keeper, sovereignty over the whole world. So basically, her entire campaign to become ruler of the entire world, as Sumerians saw it, was to give a fish to some guy. Must have been some fish. She was said to have ruled for 100 years, which is obviously an exaggeration. She is believed to have fortified the city and made it very strong, and after her rule, kinship passed to her son and then later her grandson, creating a dynasty. Her epitaph is longer than most of the other kings on the list, showing that she was significant. Over time, it seems that the human woman that existed faded. And 1,000 years later, in the Hittite period, she eventually became a divine goddess-like being. Kubaba became the great mother of gods, and she still boasted a cult of worship as late as 3,000 years after her death. The prefix Ku means holy, so Holy Baba, or if one is surprised, Holy Baba! Has a nice ring to it.